Okay, I'm doing this video to show you guys how to log in to MSDN and download the software if you haven't already done it yet. This video will show you how to download the software through SDM, their software download manager. Okay, when you guys get the invitation for Dreamspark, you'll be able to create an account. You'll create your own username, I believe, and your own password. Okay. Uh, I'm about to log in now. I'm at the site. The link I believe was emailed to you also. If not, I believe you can use the one that's in my URL right now. All right. Now you won't be able to see my credentials I'm putting in. I'm gonna black it out with probably black boxes when I do the editing for the video. All right. So I log in. This is what I see. You will see something very, very, very similar. You will see everything except administration and except lab installs. Okay. Lab installs is just for allowing me to do certain admin stuff. Mail order, you'll see that, and the premium, you'll see that. Mail order allows you to order the physical disc with the software. I believe it's 25 bucks per disc or per software. Okay, what you want to do is come to premium, download for free, go buy your own disc. You know, a 30K Sindel or disc Sindel or whatever, and burn your own ISOs. Okay, or you can get a software tool that will allow you to mount the virtual um, drives with these ISOs. Okay, so I'm going to come to all. I'm going to go to a software that I want to choose. This is all that you get, you know, right here. I'm going to get O3 server because I've downloaded most of the software already, and I can only get it one time. I'm going to get 32-bit Servers Pack 2. This is where it brings me to. Alright. This is where you choose to add to the cart. You cannot change the quantity. As you see here, it is restricted. You only get one software and that's it. So I'm going to add to cart. Alright, I'm going to check out. Here is supposed to be a EULA to tell you what you can and cannot do with the software. They have a bug and it's not being displayed. So you scroll down, click it, I accept. Okay. Oh, I did the lab install by accident. I didn't mean to. Let me go back. Let me see. Go back. Don't really care about that one. Yeah, I did. Okay. I'm going to get the download version of it. This, you guys won't see this. Okay. This is for the administrators here. Alright, you guys will only see what's under download right here. So I'm going to choose this 32-bit SP2. And I'm going to add the cart. And I'm going to check out. Alright, you see I have two here. I have standard with SP2. SP2 standard is, I believe it's 2 discs for this one right here. Alright, so I'm going to check out. Same thing, no EULA here, what's supposed to be. I accept. Still lab install. Why is it doing it to me for? I'm not indicating that it'll be in a lab install. Oh, you know what? I forgot to remove the lab install one. That's what it is. This one right here. I'm gonna remove this one. Here we go. Now we come to check out. EULA is supposed to be here. It's not. I accept. And this is what it'll bring you to. Okay, it'll bring you to a order information sheet with your name and email. You can choose to receive special offers and updates and stuff like that to your email. It's basically just advertising, stuff like that. Okay, so I'm going to proceed with order. All right, product key retrieving. It is building my product key for me to allow me to activate my software after I download and install it. All right. If there is a product key, this will be shown, of course. If there is no product key for the software, or if it is built into the software, that will not be displayed. Okay. I definitely recommend to print out, save, copy and paste product keys and everything to have for your records, and so you would not lose them. you get limited access to how you can access your keys. Okay, even limited from what I give you to actually access the site itself. Okay, so what I do now is start download. I already have the product key, so start download. It brings me here. This is where you download the SDM to download the software, and or you download the SDX to download the software. So if you haven't gotten any of the software yet, what you do first is download the SDM, which is a program that will allow you to download the software. Then you download the SDX, which is a program that will allow you to download the software. That's the same thing, but they go together. Okay, you download the SDX and you run that in the SDM to install or to download the actual software. Okay, so I already have the SDM installed, so I'm gonna jump to step 3 and get the SDX file. All right, I do that. This is 03 R2. I think it was 32-bit, right? All right. I get that. I run it, and it opens up in the SDM. Here goes both disks what I need to actually install the software. Alright, I click start download and start download. And this will start getting the software for me. I always verify that this is incrementing first before I minimize and go do whatever next, because your firewall can block the connections coming in and you won't get anything. It'll just sit there at 0% sometimes. If that happens to you, but you wait a few minutes and it's not incrementing in percentage, then you need to disable your firewall temporarily to download the actual softwares. Okay, and this is running, and that's really all it is to it. Okay, I already have a path built into it where it downloads the software for me. Okay, you can change that location as many times as you want when you download the actual software. And probably like 95% of the software that you get will be an ISO format and will have to be downloaded through getting the SDX file first and downloading that inside of the SDM to get your software. There are a couple MSIs out there. This Kodu Lab is an MSI file. You download that like you would download any file off of the web. Okay, and you would install it the same way. The ISOs you can burn to a disk or mount them virtually, either or. What I'll do is I'll probably make a separate video to show how to burn and show how to actually mount the ISOs to your to a virtual not hard drive, but disk drive for you. This one's done downloading. Don't think I'm gonna wait till this one is done. Okay, I'm gonna end the video now and show you guys in the next video how to burn and how to mount. Okay.